Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Shein applications. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password of Shein account, firstly go ahead and open up your Shein application. The home page of Shein application will appear on the screen. Simply tap on Me button at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Sign In Register option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and click on Continue. Tap on Forgot Your Password option in order to reset your password. Confirm your email address, then click on Submit. A link to reset your password will be sent to your email address. Open your mail sent by Shein and tap on Reset Password option. Now all you need to do is create a new password for your Shein's account. Confirm your password by re-entering the password, then tap on Save. Now you can sign into your Shein's account by using your new password. This is how you can reset your password on Shein quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.